Ihawa YouTube, conas tarlú. I'm saying Ihawa because it's now 20 to 11 and I'm home, I'm relaxed, I'm changed, I'm fed, but I got in at 10 o'clock and I started work at 10, so it's been a long day. But in saying that, I finished work at 6 and then the rest of the 4 hours was getting down to young community leaders and getting back from young community leaders, which is a much more pain in the arse job than I make it sound, because I cycled down tonight to cycle uphill all the way. Anyway, I enjoy it. It's a good exercise. I think I bruised something though. But anyway. So yes, I've been very much neglecting my YouTube responsibilities and not making vlogs when I supposed to, and when I said I would, and when I wanted to. But I'm here now, so I'm going to try over the next couple of days to do everything I've been saying for the last couple of weeks. I have several vlogs that I want to do. I was going to do a vlog week and do one every day, but then I was kind of like, A, I have a lot to talk about in each of my vlogs. B, it's a lot of editing. And C, if I upload 7 videos one after another, then no one will watch them. So I'm going to take my time and do them over December, and I'll get them up. They're a little bit out of date, but maybe. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I'll keep you updated. Things that have happened in a little while. I watched the abortion debates. That was interesting to say the least. It might feature in one of my vlogs. Young community leaders is going well. What else? Work is going pretty good. We're kind of still chugging along. We're working on a new program possibly for next year. Still thrashing out ideas, and we have a presentation for all the volunteers that has to be done, and I'm doing up booklets for them as well. What else? Oh yeah, Wet n Wild's 3rd birthday. Yeah, their 3rd birthday is this Saturday. So expect several different kinds of vlogs, or else I'll put it all into one big vlog, because the day is starting out at 7:45 in Bray. We're going to hike from Bray to Greystones, get lunch, breakfast, brunch. Then there's several other things, including kayaking, ice skating, a night out. I might try and fit rock climbing in as well, if I can, because I'll have my gear with me anyway. I was climbing on... today's Thursday. I was climbing... today's Thursday? No, today's Wednesday. I was climbing last Wednesday. Sorry about this, I'm kind of rambling on a bit. Linear time doesn't really work for me. Yes, last Wednesday, because I had the LGBT Fellowship Patrol meeting that day as well, which I might go into in another vlog. I've only been to one meeting, and my knowledge of the higher echelons of Scouting Ireland isn't as expansive as the rest of the guys and girls. So that'll feature in another vlog, probably in January when we meet next and I know more about it, but I'm going to try and converse back and forth with them in between then and now. So that's about it. I will make a Movember vlog, because on Friday I will have to shave, because I have to get my photo taken for a document to go off to NUI Galway to register me for the Young Community Leaders Programme, because it at the end of it I get a certificate from NUI Galway, and they have to have all my details on file. So I have to get my photo taken. Woo! I'm going to get a haircut as well, because something needs to be done with this. Did I tell you in my last vlog that I was compared to Dudley Moore? Yeah. Insert photo here. And we're back. Yeah. Now, the hairdresser was drunk at the time when she compared me to Dudley Moore, but she's also a bit right, unfortunately. But she also compared me to Harry Potter, which I take as a compliment. So anyway, that's that. I shall quit rambling. I'm probably up to about 3 or 4 minutes now, maybe more. Yeah, I'll get my Movember vlog done tomorrow morning before I go to work, and I'll edit it and upload it after work. Other than that, I'll keep in touch. Song of all YouTube, agus gur mhaith.